on the Cambridge Elevate website. I don't have my Global English books at home, so I am relying fully on technology, okay? So if you have your books, great, use them. If you've made a profile on the Cambridge Elevate page, that's great as well. There are some extra activities and exercises you can do within the units, which is helpful. So this is what we need to do. I've put here my username and my password. I'm going to click login. Then this is my dashboard. Okay, this is a let's say a preview of all of the books I have available. Okay, we don't need 4, 5 and 6 yet, obviously. And we're going to click on 3. Okay, this is the book that we're using. It's going to open into the first page, let's say, of the book. And what we're going to do is here on the left, we have a menu. We're going to click Contents. We're going to go all the way down to Dinosaurs, which is where we are. Okay, and today we're going to go down to Dinosaur Discoveries. Okay, this in your learner's book is page 81, I think, or 82, I can't remember, but you'll see it's the same as this, obviously. Then we can go ahead and close the menu. And here we are, okay? So, what we're going to do is have a look again at timelines, okay? Dinosaurs and timelines, okay? We're going to look at things that scientists discovered, okay? New things about dinosaurs. I think sometimes we think that scientists know everything about dinosaurs already, okay? But that's not true. They keep discovering new things, okay? We know, we've talked about this in science, how scientists are always working harder and harder to find out new information and make new discoveries about everything. Okay, so we even have discoveries as recent as 2009, as we can see here, okay? So, let's just have a look at these things that were discovered more recently about dinosaurs, okay? This is a timeline. We're going to listen, okay, and read. So if you have your learner's book and your audio files, it's number 45, yeah, it's track 45, okay? If you have the Elevate version, of course, you can click just here where you can see the red circle, and we're going to go ahead and listen to this, okay? We're going to listen to it twice.
Track 45.
Timeline of dinosaur discoveries. 1973. Birds are living dinosaurs. 1986. Most dinosaurs were warm-blooded. 1999. Many dinosaurs had feathers. 2000. Some dinosaurs climbed trees. 2009. Some dinosaurs had poisonous bites.
Okay, let's listen again. I want you to be careful of how they say, how the lady says the year, okay? The words she uses to say these years here, okay? Let's listen again.
Track 45.
Timeline of dinosaur discoveries. 1973. Birds are living dinosaurs. 1986. Most dinosaurs were warm-blooded. 1999. Many dinosaurs had feathers. 2000. Some dinosaurs climbed trees. 2009. Some dinosaurs had poisonous bites.
Okay, so which discovery surprises you the most? For me, I think the most surprising thing is that birds are living dinosaurs, okay? My mum and dad have hens at home, and I've never thought about them as being living dinosaurs. So we live and learn. Did you listen to how the years were, how the lady said the years? She said 1973, 1986, 1999, 2000, 2009, okay? After 2009, okay, so from 2010 onwards, you can start saying 2010, 2011, 2015, 2020, okay? We have two possibilities. You can say 2020 or you can say 2020, okay? So just be aware that you might hear both versions, okay? They're both fine, okay? So let's have a look at number 2. What year are we in now? How many years ago did each dinosaur discovery take place? Okay, so what we need to do is work out how many years ago from today, from this year, which is 2020, 2020, all of these things took place, okay? If you like, if you have space, you can write it here next to each of the discovery boxes, okay? So you need to say, for example, let's take 2000. You need to say 20 years ago, okay? This is similar to the work you did last week, okay? If you're using the Elevate version that I'm using now, have a look here. If you click on this red circle, you can see that there's a exercise that opens, okay? This is a matching numbers and words game, okay? For example, Miss Hannah's not good at this.
1991.
Okay, so we need to match it. Oh, no. Let's have a look. Nope. Okay, there we go. I'll get there in the end. Okay, so you need to match the number with the word, okay, or the numbers with the words, okay? This is if you have the Elevate version, and if you have time and want to, you can do this. Then just to go back, you click on the X up the top, and we go back to our pages, okay? Now, while I put my computer on charge, as I have a very low battery, what you can do is turn to your activity book, okay, page 70, I think. It's the one after we did the last work anyway. Go back to your activity book, okay, and you can complete activity 1, okay? And I'll be back in a minute, okay? Enjoy! Okay, so here we are on the activity book, page 70, okay? So you should have done this, okay? What we're going to do now is just have a look at the answers together, okay? That way, if you've made mistakes, you can correct them, okay? So I'm just going to write on the lines, okay? I've got my blue pen, okay? So number 1, we're here now. Write. What year was it? Write the number. Okay, so 1687. So what we're going to do is just very simply write 1687. Okay? If you have a different number, you can correct it at the side. Okay? Next one. 2011. Okay? So we have 2011. Can you remember the other way we can say this year? That's right, 2011. Next one, 1993. Let's have a look. 1993. Remember, we can't say 1993, okay? That doesn't work. We can only say 1993, okay? Next one, 2014. 2014, which can also be said 2014. Okay, let's have a look at the next part. Write the words. This is a bit more difficult, okay? You probably found this a little bit more difficult, but you can use the examples above to help you, okay? So let's have a look. 1986. Well, if I'm struggling, I can always have a look here, okay? Because I already have 19. So, 19. 86. Again, maybe I don't know how to write 80, but look here. Then I'm going to put this hyphen, this is called 6. Okay, 1986. Then 2010 or 2010. Okay, so we can either do this. Look, we can use this as an example here. We can say we can write 2010. Okay, or we can write like this one, 2010. Okay, here, next one, 2030, same thing. Okay, so 2030 or 2030. Okay, 1775. So we're going to write 17. Okay, then 75. Okay, so this is going to be 70 hyphen 5. Okay, 1775. Then, which year of these ones here is in the future? Okay, which one is it? That's right, 2030. Okay, how many years? In how many years will it be 2030? What do you think? That's right, in 10 years. Okay, because it's 2020. In 10 years' time, it will be 2030. Very good. Okay, next part, word study. Read each sentence starter. Draw a line to the correct sentence ending. So, number 1 has been done for us. Okay, this is a mistake. And dinosaur is wrong, isn't it? Why is this wrong? Because dinosaur has a consonant, so it should be a dinosaur expert is a person who knows a lot about dinosaurs. I'm sorry about my version that's cut, but this is one of the problems we have today. Okay, number 2. The winner of a race is the person who are in your class. No, can't be, because we know it's singular, the winners, and this is are, plural. Who were born at the same time. Nope. Who runs the fastest. Could be. Are part of your family. Are getting married. Hunts for fossils. Or has a grandchild. Okay. The correct answer is who runs the fastest. D. Okay. Number 3. Twins are 2 children in a family who are in your class, were born at the same time, are part of your family, are getting married, hunts for fossils, has a grandchild. Okay, so what we're going to do for this one is exercise number letter B. Okay, so twins are two children in a family who were born at the same time. Isn't that right, Arianna? Okay, number 4, a fossil hunter is a person who hunts for fossils. Okay, this helps us. We have a clue here. Okay, we have the verb hunt and also fossils. Okay, so make use of the things that you can see in the sentences to help you. Okay, your classmates are the children who A, are in your class, E, are part of your family, F, are getting married, or H, has a grandchild. Okay, this one can only be are in your class. Your relatives are people who are part of your family. A grandmother is a woman who has a grandchild. A bride and a groom are two people who are getting married. Okay, we saw this in an earlier unit, didn't we? Okay, let's just have a quick look. Let's just stay in exercise 2 a second. I want to have a look at a special word. Can you see that every sentence, or every first part of the sentence, has this word, who, who, who? Okay, this word is very important, okay, who. We use it to write about or to say something else about a person, okay, so a person, to give more information, okay, so person or people, okay, it's used for singular and for plural, okay. So let's have a look at number 3. Write your own sentences. Use the word who, okay? So, first one, a teacher is a person. What could we say about this? We could say lots of things. I'm just going to give you an example, okay? So, a teacher is a person who teaches. We could say children, okay? Although, as you know, there are teachers also for adults, but we're going to say children here, okay? You can obviously use lots of other verbs, lots of other examples, okay? A scientist is, okay, what we need to do now is add this bit, okay, because we haven't got it here. So a scientist is a person who, now I'm going to put, makes discoveries. Okay, you can also put something like a scientist is a person who studies animals, who studies plants, who studies people. Okay, you can put whatever you want. A musician, now we need to add also is, okay, so it gets more difficult. So a musician is a person. Here we have so many possibilities. We can say a musician, a person who studies music. Okay, this is just one of many possibilities, okay? Can't get my full stop in there for some reason. Okay, I'm going to put it there. Okay, so these are the corrections. Make any changes to your page if you need to, okay? And we'll go on to the next part of the lesson. Okay, well done.